Supercharge your Samsung Smart TV with Android.
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about a fascinating topic: installing Android on your Samsung Smart TV. This can bring a lot of advantages to your viewing experience. Let's dive in and see how this transformation can significantly improve your Smart TV's functionality.
What does Android bring to the table?
The Android operating system is known for its versatility and broad range of applications. Here are some key benefits. 1. Access to Google Play Store. The main attraction of installing Android on your Samsung Smart TV is gaining access to the Google Play Store. This will exponentially increase the number of apps you can install on your TV. 2. Increased customization. Android OS allows for more personalization compared to the native Tizen OS of Samsung. This includes the ability to change layouts, app icons, and more. 3. Better integration with Android devices. If you are an Android phone user, this installation will help your devices communicate more seamlessly. You can easily share content between your TV and Android device.
Will Android performance be improved on my Samsung Smart TV?
While installing Android on your Samsung Smart TV brings plenty of advantages, it's essential to know about the performance enhancements. 1. Performance efficiency. Android OS is optimized to run smoothly on a variety of devices, and Samsung Smart TVs are no exception. 2. Regular updates. Google frequently updates the Android OS, meaning you'll receive consistent improvements and new features.
Does Android affect the user interface?
The user interface is an essential aspect of any smart device, and installing Android on your Samsung Smart TV can make a significant difference. 1. Improved interface. Android offers a user-friendly interface that's easily navigable. Plus, there's the added bonus of Google Assistant integration for voice commands. 2. Versatile app management. Android gives you more control over your apps, including how they're displayed and their data usage. In conclusion, installing Android on your Samsung Smart TV is a fantastic way to enhance your viewing experience and customize your TV's capabilities to better suit your needs. We hope this video has been helpful in showcasing the multitude of benefits that Android brings to your Samsung Smart TV. Enjoy your newly supercharged TV experience.